Alright, just bought this bike from one of my buddies, barn find, and it is a 1989 Yamaha Moto4 200cc. As you can see, there's some cobwebs, there's some dust. It's been forgotten about. It's got reverse, neutral, no clutch, just up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a little rack, kind of ugly looking, but it's a cool little four-wheeler. Doesn't run or anything, but it's in pretty good shape, honestly. Tires not too bad, so doesn't run right now, but I already bought a battery for it. Key, don't have a key, but I do have a title actually. So yeah, I'm gonna power wash this thing real quick and see what it looks like. Here she is, all washed up. Turned out a lot better than I expected. It is a lot cleaner bike than I actually thought. Just a little dirt on there. You can kind of see there's still some dirt on the plastics, but I didn't scrub that hard. You can kind of see right there. You know, you just scrub a little bit and it's gonna come off. So it's not that bad. Seat, same the rear, you know, you scrub a little bit, but tires are in good shape, still holding air. Cleaned all the dirt and mouse crap that was on it, but it's got a little bit of rust, needs a little bit of work, but it is a interesting looking bike, that is for sure. So I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know if this is going to be the first video or if I'll make another video. I'm probably going to have to clean the carb, install the battery, see if everything works on it, and go from there.